Hello everyone, welcome to Miss Very Versatile. I hope you all are doing well.
Today's video captures how to stay cool and beat the heat in the summer season.
If you enjoy watching videos on productivity, motherhood and lifestyle, please subscribe to my channel, Miss Very Versatile. It will cost you nothing but will mean a lot to me. Link is in the description box. To get notifications every time I upload a video, please click the bell icon as shown in the screen here.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing well and staying safe. So summer season is a time where most of us, like to go outdoor. There are picnics organized. Children like to go to the beach where beaches are close by. Adults like to just spend time outside with friends and family sipping cocktails or just enjoying the weather as such. Now, summer is a season that most people look forward to, especially in countries where the winters are very harsh and very long through the year. Now, as global warming is gripping planet Earth, there are more and more instances of heat waves and record high temperatures all around the world that are getting reported in the news very frequently. While turning on the air conditioner and sitting in a cool room is a good way to beat the summer heat, but given our roles and responsibilities and the parts of the world that we stay in, sitting in an AC room throughout the day may not always be possible. So in today's video, my goal is to be able to bring some tips and hacks to you guys to feel cool from inside, and so we end up enjoying the summer rather than feeling sickened by the weather outside. So let's dive in and take a close look at those tips and ideas. One of the most important ways to stay cool in the summers is to stay hydrated and drink a lot of water. Now, most of us know that water constitutes about 65% of the human body. So naturally, it is a very important component and has several functions and roles to play in our body. So one being, it helps to maintain body temperature, keep our skin supple, lubricate our joints, and so on. While it can be quite confusing how much water to drink during the day to stay hydrated and feel safe, there are different parts of the world and different organizations that give out different guidelines. This data can be highly confusing. So I am sharing with you two different ideas. One here is a table that summarizes how much water should an adult or a kid be drinking based on their age, body weight, etc. And second is a simple formula on how much water to be had based on your body weight. So do check these out. This will help you figure out how much water is a must to consume. The food that we consume plays a very important role in regulating our body temperatures. There are certain food items that have very high water content. So when these are consumed throughout the day during the summer season, it helps to regulate our body temperature, and hence we end up feeling cool from inside and also feeling light. Now, some vegetables and fruits such as your green leafy vegetables, different kinds of melons such as watermelon, cantaloupe, avocado, mint, citrusy fruits like lemon, oranges, tangerines, etc. All these have extremely high water content and therefore they help to regulate the body temperature. Here is a table of the different kind of food items, and it also summarizes how much water content do these food items have. This will give you an idea of what to consume and plan your meals and recipes around it. Now, in the summer season, when our aim is to make our bodies stay light and feel cool, a great way to do so is by restricting the amount of protein and fat-rich food that we consume. So, say food items like red meat, cheese, etc. If these are consumed in limited quantities, it's best. The reason being that these high protein or fat content food take a lot of energy from our body to be broken down and digested. And when this digestion process goes on, what happens is the body's temperature increases, and that's why we end up feeling hot. So it's best to restrict these and consume them in moderation during the summer season. Next is any food content or beverage items, especially such as tea, coffee, etc., that have high caffeine content should also be consumed in moderation or restricted quantities in the summer. Caffeine, being a stimulant, increases our body temperatures eventually in the process once we consume it. So it's best to have it in moderation. How should our diet be in the summers? My suggestion would be to stick to items that have very high water content and stick to recipes that use them tremendously. Salads in your meals that have a lot of green leafy vegetables or things that I spoke about, such as your avocado, mint, lemon, etc., would be a great idea to feel light and feel cool during the hot afternoons. Some smoothies that include a lot of fruit, yogurt, etc., these when blended together are a great source to fill you up. They have a good amount of nutrition and also very high water content. So this will also help you feel light and feel cool during the day. I will bring to you another video and share some smoothie recipes that will help you stay cool in the summers. So far, the tips and life hacks I've shared with you are mostly centered around the food that we need to consume and the quantity of water and different fluids that need to be consumed to kind of stay cool and feel light during the summer season. Now let's move on and take a look at other ways that we can stay cool during the summers. A very basic and a common suggestion that most of us already follow would be to use sunscreen every time we step out in the sun or heat outside of our house. Consider using hats and sunglasses every time you're stepping out in the heat. This helps to actually protect your body from the extreme heat outside. Sunglasses create a barrier and protect your eyes against the UV radiations, and a hat will obviously create a barrier and prevent the excess heat from being absorbed by your body. A lot of us actually have to park our cars out in the open, especially in the parking lot when we go to work and so on. So using a heat shield and placing it on the windshield of your car really helps to control the temperature or prevent your car from getting excessively hot during the summer months. If you stay in a part of the world wherein the summers are extremely humid and it makes you feel sweaty, the best way to beat the heat is to shower often during the day. Now, certain Indian home remedies that are very common and known to reduce your skin temperature, body temperature, and makes you feel cool and light are rose water, aloe vera, and third being an item that can be prepared at home very easily by using shrunken rose petals that are dried a little bit and then putting those in a glass bottle, adding some crystals of sugar to it. This gives an item called as Gulkand, which actually helps keep your body temperature in check and makes you feel light during the summer. The kind of fabric of clothes that we decide to pick and choose to wear during the summer months has a huge role to play in keeping us cool and making us feel light. So consider choosing fabrics such as pure cotton and linen, etc. These really help to keep your body temperatures in check. Also, avoid colors such as black or darker shades, as these tend to absorb heat. Lighter colors and pastel shades such as yellow, mauve, pink, white, etc. These tend to reflect heat and therefore make your body feel cool and light. If you enjoyed watching today's video and learning about the tips and hacks to stay cool and light during the summer months, please don't forget to like and share this video and subscribing to my channel Miss Very Versatile.
Let's connect on social media. My social media handles are Miss Very Versatile. Please comment below and let me know what other topics on lifestyle would you like me to cover.
If you enjoyed watching today's video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you all in my next video and thank you for joining today. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.